Yes, he's coming.
Is he coming in here?
I don't know.
Here? Did you hear him there? Did you hear him?
I don't know. I heard him, but now I don't hear him anymore.
Maybe he went to the bathroom.
Maybe.
Or maybe he went to the bathroom.
Hi, Lil.
Or maybe he's laying in the bed.
Oh. Hi. Oh.
Oh, wake up.
Hi.
Hi.
A good look at Lily's room.
I'm a cookie down, Lily. Do you like fish?
I don't know if she likes that. Lil, what do you think?
Do you like fish? Do you like fish? Is he coming? Is he coming?
I don't know.